Hello, my name's Brian Knight, and I live near Melbourne in Australia. And it's just turned 5 o'clock in the morning on a Wednesday. So, Wednesday for me, still Tuesday for you, Tom.
Hi, Brian.
How are you?
Good.
Yeah.
How'd it go yesterday with the bus?
Mhm. All right. Yeah. Was
Yeah.
there any? Yeah, nothing special. It was all okay. But no problem. Um, yeah. Yeah, no, that's no problem. I'm just talking trades. I'm looking bits. I got chucked out of the AUD Singapore. That's okay. I didn't expect it to.
AUD Singapore. Okay.
Yeah, rough, a rough ride that one. I just did the drop. So, all right. So please note, welcome to this live forex analysis session. Just note that any trades discussed in this group of classes educational only. That's because we're a group of people helping each other, and we are not financial advisors. Probably be doing something else if we were. Uh, Please only take trades that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. Full risk disclosure there, and a little bit about us is live session traders. We're just crazy people. Okay. Well, somebody's got to be crazy. Crazy, isn't it?
Now that's a TV advertisement right there.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, if people see this, it's like we trade what we call a relaxed method. It's looking at different ways over time, looking at trends. Basically, it's just a trend, following a trend in a certain direction uh, on a forex pair. That's the basics of it, I suppose. And it's just like, well, what sort of things do you use to be able to ascertain what's going on? All right. Well, here's the AUD CAD. I didn't get into that sell. Could have. It would have been probably nice. You tell us if you're in any.
I'm only in one.
Oh, still.
Yeah,
Mm.
nothing's moved.
Uh, yeah, they haven't really moved a lot. You're right. But it's about time to move though. It's still
Right.
Tuesday to
That's what
win.
I'm saying. I'm kind of turning into a Tuesday through Thursday trader.
Yeah,
It's like
yeah.
let the first couple days run because this stuff ain't moving at all. And you got Powell coming up.
Oh, Jerome.
Yeah, he's supposed
Is
to
he
speak
still
this week.
alive?
Oh yeah.
I thought he'd
See, this
been.
is the pressure point right here. What he's going to do because it's like, is he going to lower or not? Uh, they're saying they're not sure now, but in September, regardless of what he does now, they believe in September he's going to lower the rates. He's got to wait for the next set of job numbers. I know that's what it is
Yeah.
because the job numbers were terrible, and so either he gets
But
more
also
jobs.
inflation. Also
Yeah,
inflation's no
so
good.
the more he either gets more jobs and pushes inflation higher,
Yeah.
or cuts the rates and hurts the prospect of job markets, which will raise inflation anyway. So he's kind of catch 22.
Yeah.
So he's going to
Yeah.
have to wait for those numbers.
Yeah. Yeah. If he drops the rate, it's going to increase inflation. Yeah. Okay. But I think it's not traveling very well anyway, inflation for him. Anyway. All right. So when's that going to be this week, is it?
Yeah, I think it's Friday.
Okay. Right. Yeah.
Let's go to
22.
USD
Okay.
JPY. That'll tell us.
Yeah. Okay. USD JPY. Okay, I'll go down there and have a look. USD JPY.
You got news?
Yeah, there's some here. Housing permits. No, that's
FOC,
FOMC minutes.
FOMC minutes. There it is.
But that's on the 20th.
So that's tomorrow.
Yeah, well, it's UK tomorrow. Yeah, I'm already there.
So
But I gotta wait for that. Oh, no. So that's 7 o'clock at night tomorrow. So it'll be your,
11 a.m.
yeah, something like that.
That's exactly what
Mm,
it is. The 20th at
mm,
11 a.m.
But you gotta wait till then. Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to start looking at setups.
Oh, and then
Because if this news hits, I want to be going in the right direction.
but that's FOMC. But then Powell is talking on Friday, the 22nd.
Right. But this is, I feel this FOMC is going to move the market.
Yeah, okay, right. Yeah, which quite often it does.
Right. So I
Hmm.
want to start looking at setups to make sure I'm going in the right direction
Okay,
if I'm going to take a trade because that
yeah.
news is going to hit.
That just for US or
Well, it's U.S.
everything?
news.
Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Well, let's go. This is okay. AUD I'm liking this because I'm in this trade, and yes, it's selling. Thank you. Now, I'm just a bit cautious here because I've got to work out, well, do we get a gold? Does it push further? I mean, the green line saying it's not going to. Maybe that's the FOMC that's going to flip this around. But I'll have to get out of the sell and get into a buy. Anyway, because that's what the market does. It goes from sells to buys to sells, sells to buy to sells. That's all it
Exactly.
does. Yeah.
So all I'm looking for is direction because look how long we've been going sideways.
Yeah. 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 Across over here and over here. Yeah. It did push up. I mean, it just depends on what happens here. But I think you're right. FOMC will probably push things around. Okay. ADJPY. That dropped off. Why am I not in the sell on that? Anyway. What day is that? That's Tuesday. Yeah, actually moved pretty quickly. That so three bricks pretty quick.
Mm-hmm.
One day we'll just see. Yeah. Anyway, it looks like we're selling out further. So AUD NZD haven't got into that, but that sold out, and it looks like they're all selling Aussies. Oop, okay. And AUD Singapore is the one that went down and just knocked me out of that one. Anyway, that's okay. That was a bad pick, that one. Anyway, it would have been green line would have been going up, so and then it changed. It tells me what I should have done is reevaluated that and then just got out of it at a small loss. Anyway, experience, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, AUD USD. I'm in the sell on that, and it's doing okay. Uh, what is it? I'm probably, I don't know, 1% or something. We'll see. Again, this is another one I've got to monitor, like the AUD CHF. So any one of these AUDs, it's time where they could be turning to do a pullback before they sell off again. And I need to practice getting out of them and getting back into them or changing, one way
I
or the
gotta tell
other.
you that sweet feeling of regret you're gonna get one time when you get out of a trade and it just continues on.
But that's okay.
You know what? That's okay
Yeah,
because
yeah, yeah.
you'd rather be out of it than lose them.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You bank it. You got to bank them. That's it.
Yeah,
What's the
exactly,
saying? You can't go broke banking profit. It's
exactly.
like,
Or Paul used to say, all the time, it's better to be in a trade. It's better to be out of a trade you missed than be in a
yeah,
trade that you regret.
yeah, 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 yeah. Exactly. I think he used to regret a fair bit. It probably still does. I don't know if they're still. I think, but yeah, I'm not sure whether their proposal is still going. Anyway, see. CAD CHF. I'm watching this for the sellout was, but it's not really doing too much either. CAD J, this is what you're saying. Things are just sort of like up, down, up, down. They're not really.
No, I'm
So
talking like two bricks at max, two or
yeah,
three
yeah,
bricks. They're just not moving.
yeah, yeah. Um, This is the one you're in, is it? CHF JPY still?
No, I
You got out of it.
funny enough, I was in it for the buy,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But it's done
and
a pullback.
it just stalled.
Yeah.
When it stalls, it always makes me nervous, so I get out.
You get out. Yeah.
So I
And
got
that's
out,
yeah,
and
yeah.
now it's coming back down.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
When they
That's
stall for a long time, I'm usually going the wrong direction.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Because momentum, when they move, it means they've got that pressure of that either buy or sell one or the other, and they'll keep moving along. But when they just like stall like this, give you a gold indicator and start going the other way from what it's just not
Hmm.
worth it. So it's sort of counter really to what the green line's telling us. Okay.
Yes, however,
Oh,
my green line
change.
also on the daily and the
Yeah.
weekly are all going up.
Yeah,
So
okay.
I'm looking at this for a quick pull down, whoop,
Yeah, yeah.
back
And then
down,
go up.
back down to this area down here where the gold
Yeah.
bars are to your left, and then a
Yeah.
push
Yeah.
back up
Yeah, okay.
because you got a double top right, or actually a double bottom right here.
Yeah, here.
Yeah.
Well, you've got a
So
whole
I'm
lot of
looking,
tops up there too.
yeah, so I'm looking for this to just break this bottom here and come back to that first gold bar on the blue line,
Yeah.
doink, and take off
Okay.
because everything says it's buying all the way across the board.
Yeah, okay.
So what I would look for is like the FMOC
And
down,
see if it
and
moves.
then it's going to turn back up.
Yeah. All right then. These are the euros. Euro AUD. I'm not in. And look at it buy. Off it goes. Still going. Remember I said too late? It's like I think it'll be a pullback here. It might not, but I'm pretty sure we're going to get a pullback. This is just yeah, it's similar to this sort of thing. Up and then it does a pullback, then up and does a pullback. That's I'd wait for after the pullback and then get into the buy on it. All right, Euro CAD. I'm in on a sell. Ooh, I'm in negative at the moment, but it kicked me in and then pushed back up again. Let's see what it does. Still looking for that to sell out. All right, Euro CHF. Did I hang on a minute? Let me have a look. I think I kicked it or something. Yeah, Euro CHF. Yeah, I'm in that. I'm in that trade. So that is for a oh, that's for a sell. Well, gonna have to monitor that one because it might it's just indicators it might just turn and go back up again. Need
Well,
to get out of that
you gotta fix your stuff first.
my stuff.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
fix your fib and your 50.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna yeah, this is something you had said it'll come down to here, turn and then go back. Maybe. See
I'm
how we
still
go.
saying that.
I know you are. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
The green line's not saying that.
It will.
Okay. Yeah. Well, sorry. At this
My line is yours isn't.
okay, at this point in time, this green line is not saying that, but it certainly could change.
Right.
Okay.
So think about the change. Just for a second, just think about the
And also
change.
I gotta
If it
turn this
changes, it's going to show that it's going to push down, right?
mm-hmm.
Okay. Don't reverse it yet.
Oh, okay, sorry. Okay. Right. Yeah.
So everything's telling you it's going to push down. You're inside it passed the 88. What you're looking for is if you think this is going to push down to this area where this placeholder is,
Hmm.
then You're looking at the green line now. The
Mm-hmm.
next time this candle changes and this green line changes to show you the down,
Mm-hmm.
all you want to do is wait till your blue trend line pushing up
Yeah, yeah,
turns white
yeah. When it crosses over. Yeah.
when it crosses over.
Yeah.
But if you're up here with the fib, at any point, this could turn into a gold bar here between these
Yeah.
two wicks
Yeah. And then start
and then
pushing
start
back
pushing
up.
back up,
Yeah.
which means yours is right and mine's wrong. Then
Well,
mine's going to change into a buy.
well, the issue is that that green line, the prediction was the other way yesterday. Because
Oh,
that's
okay.
why,
Well, there you
but
go.
that's why I got into the sell. That's the reason why I got into, well, I set up an order for a sell, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it kicked me in. So then today, the green line is now going up, which has got me nervous about, like, I'm in, but, and like, what have I got? 5 pips or something. So if it turns, if I get a gold um, indicator here in the next 1 or 2 bricks, I'm going to have to get out, or I'll need to get out of that trade because it's going to go the other way um,
That
from
is not what that means.
from this perspective. Yeah, it does. If I get a gold here,
Uh huh.
it's going to change direction, and we're going to have at least 3 bricks up.
Okay. Let's just stop right there for a second. I want to make sure you get this.
Yeah.
Because you get a gold bar here does not
Oh
mean it's going to go up.
no, yeah,
Even
yeah,
if it gives you a gold bar, it could pull back
yeah,
two
and then go
bricks,
back down.
stay within this area, and then go
Yeah,
back down.
yeah, yeah.
Or this could pull back up, create a wick, even with the gold bar here, and
Yeah.
push down further, removing that gold bar.
Yeah, and the gold bar will disappear.
So you just have to take those into consideration before you say, if I get a gold bar, I'm getting out. Take
Well,
everything
well,
into consideration.
well,
That's
let
all
me
I'm
say,
saying.
yeah, okay, no worries, no at all. So how about this? If I get a gold bar there, I know what you're saying. There's no definite that it's actually changing direction going up, right? But what if I get a gold bar and I say I'm going to get out anyway, and then I get a wick up or down or whatever it is. Actually, probably have to be a wick up, and then I say I'm going to get back in again. What's the problem?
No problem at all. None
Yeah.
whatsoever.
So that's what my thinking is at this point.
Okay, so let me add to that for just a second.
Hmm.
If you get a gold bar at the bottom and you think it's going to push up,
Yeah.
then make sure you're breaking the top and your gold bar closes below the 88.
I understand the second bit. It closes below the 88. What was the first bit you said?
The first thing said, you see the red wick at the top?
Yeah.
Okay, I personally, I would wait till I got a gold brick before the 80 after the 88. It has to close
Which
below
which
the
is
88.
which is highly likely now, yeah, because we're below 88 anyway.
Right. And so when you get that next push,
Yeah.
I personally would not take an entry until it broke that red wick. I wouldn't take anything in between there.
Oh, you mean for a buy?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, no, I understand that. No,
Okay.
no,
That's just
understand that
I just want to
completely.
be clear because
Yeah,
if you
yeah,
get a
no,
red
no,
wick there, that
yeah,
may
yeah,
be the high.
yeah, no,
So if
no,
you're going
I'm
to take a
fine with
buy, I
that.
would look to the left to see where that thing's pointing at
Yeah, yeah.
and see what's there to see
No,
how high
no,
it's actually
I'm
going to
talking
go.
about it. No, I'm talking about a further sell. That's what I was talking about, Tom. So what I said, sorry, I'll say it, I'll re-explain it. If I get a gold bar here below the 88, my thought is I don't know whether it's going to continue down or go up. You don't know that either, right?
Correct.
My thought is because I'm in the sell, and and one of the things I'll tell you, what I'll say is I've got 3 bricks down now, right?
Mm-hmm.
At 3 bricks, there could be a potential turn for it to go back up, or it could go back down. As I just said before, we don't know either way. I'm in a sell currently. If I get a gold indicator there, my thought is because I don't know whether that will continue down or it'll turn and go up, and because I'm in a trade for a sell, I would get out of the sell and then reevaluate it. If in the event that it pushes, we get uh, we get a gold one, we get a wick up, like a red wick up, and the gold indicator disappears, I would get back in the sell straight away, right? With that sort of scenario occurring, right? If though you get a gold bar, and it actually changes direction, I agree with you. I wouldn't take the trade until it breaks the top, that top red wick. And potentially it will give me a blue wick down. Are you still okay, Darren?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm just reading a message.
I
Beg your
missed.
pardon.
No, you're right, Mr. EA.
So,
So,
yeah,
so does that make any sense, Tom?
Yeah, it makes total sense.
Yeah. So that's how I'm seeing it currently. Because the only reason why I'm saying that is because I'm already in the trade for the sell. Yeah. Um, so yeah. Anyway, that's where I'm at with that. Yeah. Okay, good. And I don't know, neither of us know what your forecasting is. Potentially this will come down to here, to the
No, my
placeholder
forecasting down to the bottom of the gold brick.
down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That your green line is, you mean?
Yes.
Yes. My green line yesterday was coming down to here and then going back
Right.
up. It's now changed. It's like weird. It's only that I remember that, where it's interesting because these things change and you go like, hang on a minute, I made the decision. And the reason why I know is because I made the decision to get into the cell because the green line was coming down
Right.
and it's changed.
Right.
So anyway, they're just indicators. They're all lagging. You've got to do one thing. Mine's doing another thing. It's like, it's great to be able to compare because it just tells you can't trust any of it.
Right. The only real thing you can trust is that fib.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely.
That's it.
Yeah. Oh, and then sometimes that fib breaks too. Like it's not as if like you could flip this and this could actually come down and break the 88 and keep going down and break the bottom.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
I mean,
there's
you're setting yourself for the best chance you have, and
yeah,
that the
yeah, yeah.
best chance you have is at
At
618.
no, at this point in time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. All right, well, let's see. The thing about it is also the most important thing for me is to monitor this at least a couple of times a day. And we've said that plenty of times. I mean, once is not enough. It needs to be, I think for me, it's also I need to monitor it after London Open. I can't do, well, I'm not able to do New York because I'm asleep at that time. But definitely now at this time, when we're finishing New York Open and changing over, or about to, it's in another hour and a half or whatever at the moment with the time cycles. And then I need to look at it well, I can look again when I get back, but it's more likely my afternoon, evening that I need to actually have another reference to it. That sort of London Open pre or post the London Open stuff. Anyway, Euro GBP. Still no manual trades at all, Darren?
No,
Oh, that's good.
still, yeah, I'm actually just looking at
Another half a dozen
actually,
EAs.
looking at iPhones and trying to work out my strategy to acquire more of these iPhones accounts, using the
Well, you get
profits from the first one to get another one, and so on.
yeah.
I mean, come finish going through your pairs.
No, that's
Right,
okay.
I
We
know we'll
can.
come to that.
Well,
So
you're making so much profits in the iPhones, you get, your drawdown's going to start being an issue. So you'll need to take profits
but yeah,
out.
yeah. So what I'll do, well, look, I mean, sharpshooter on the iPhones account is 2% up in uh
That's only in 3 weeks
three.
or something.
Yeah, just less than just under 3 weeks.
Wow.
So that's going pretty well, isn't it?
Yeah.
How much does it cost? Go and check that.
500, 500 US.
I think it was. Let's have a look.
Yeah,
Just
499. Yeah.
499. So I'm on 50% profit share at the moment. Probably don't need to be.
Oh, you're on 50, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
but if you change that profit share though, you decrease
I
though
do.
you
I do, yeah. So I'm sort of trying to play it safe. So
yeah.
I suppose I need to get to 10% profit, don't I, to be able to spend the profits, take 50% of the profits. I give
Well, you
them,
get 5% then, don't you?
yeah, and use that to
That
acquire
was on a it was
all
on
the account.
100K, wasn't it? Wasn't it 100K?
There was a 10K account, this, Brian.
Oh, sorry, 10K.
Yeah, yeah.
So if you got
Wish it was 100K.
I'm sorry.
It's all right.
So 10K, oh, you've made $200 then at 2%,
So it looks like it's going to be
and you get 100 out of that.
3% a
Okay.
month, say. So 3 months, thereabouts, should give me enough profit to then get another 10K account. So what I'm thinking is, I'm on the high risk settings at the moment, going for the quicker, the more
Yeah,
profits.
yeah. Yeah, but you've got a lower cutout
Yeah,
though. Yeah.
yeah. So I get the then purchase a second funded account, another 10K account.
But don't you want to take out your initial investment amount though?
I don't know. It's only the cost of the account, though, isn't it? I want to get quite more of these accounts, really. So
Okay. I thought you'd be taking your expenses so that then you're at
I could do.
just my thoughts. But I
I could
mean,
do.
maybe you just go, well, that's the investment.
Yeah,
That's the
yeah.
investment to
I've sort
do.
of
So
spent that now. Let's not worry
yeah,
about that. It's not.
yeah,
So acquire a second account,
yeah.
reduce the risk settings on the first one, then to low risk settings. So we'll just leave that one then ticking over
Oh, yeah.
in a safer mode, hopefully gradually compounding, and just keep an eye on that one. And on the high risk settings on the new
Second
one,
one. Mm.
hopefully quickly get to the 3 months or so, take the profits out to purchase the third one, reduce the risk settings to low on the second one, and sort of do that. Something along those sorts of lines.
Mm.
So going quite quick at first, and then
And then, like in the nursing home, you'll have about 150 of them or something just ticking over on low.
well, I'll be yeah, they'll pay the nursing home fees, won't they then? So I'll be sorted. I'll be living in comfort in a
Yeah.
luxury nursing home,
I'm
all
a
paid
low
for,
risk. I'm a low risk nursing home
all paid for through
resident.
iPhones.
I'm only kidding. I'm just looking for you, Jenny. It's like
Hey, come
that's if
on.
iPhones are still around and still
Well,
operating.
that's it. That's it.
I mean, that's the thing. A lot of this stuff I've seen come and go. Like and just take people's monies and walk on too. I'm not saying that iFunds will all that, but I mean, nothing's forever either. I
No,
mean,
no, it's not. No, it's not. So I'm not saying I'm sticking down funds either, and you probably need to diversify in terms of funding accounts. But the the track record in terms of paying out, it seems to be fairly impeccable to what I'm reading. Your request withdrawal, you get it into your account same day. Job done. So there's no messing about. Not like some of these prop firms that have come and gone, which think of any excuse they can to not pay out. Or you've breached some sort of rule about copy trading, or you've done this, or you've done that, or they just don't pay out. So I suppose that's the thing. Is follow the likes of EA Academy, maybe some other people out there. Let them trial these things and test these things, and do the groundwork for us. And that's what they've done on these funded accounts. I mean, Darwin X is the other one.
Yeah. Yeah, Dominic's, yeah. But you actually buy somehow you buy an account, or I'm trying to remember how it works, but
Well, iPhones, you simply buy an account. So a 10K account costs $500. You buy the
yeah.
account. Actually, apparently you do get offers once you're an existing customer. Who knows? A month or two, I may get an offer. Reduced upgrade, or 30% off, or off another account or something.
Yeah, well, the thing is, if you're making profits for them, then they can afford to do that. They want people that are winners and losers. If they're losers, they're great. They make their money. But if they're winners, they're working off the profit. So they want to give you more because they know you're actually got the ability or the knowledge or the EA that actually can work it.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
So that's a bit of a simple strategy. I was sort of thinking around these iPhones accounts. So I'm thinking all the time, Brian. Just
I can hear the cogs working,
oh yeah,
Darren. Like I hope you keep them oiled.
yeah.
You don't want dry cogs running around you.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
I'll have
that's.
a you this time next year. I'll have a YouTube channel, Brian.
I can see you with a GoPro.
Yeah.
There's a check of mother.
Make EA's great again. It'll be on YouTube.
The real relaxed method.
Yeah, that's right.
Relaxed trading.
Hands
Well,
free trading.
again, it's all to achieve what works with your lifestyle, Darren. I mean, it's not. I mean, yeah, 2% on. So I'm trying to do the numbers. So 2% is 200. Yeah, $200 on a
Yeah,
10,000,
yeah,
and 50% of that means that you got $100 out of that in 3 weeks.
yeah.
Okay, and then if you get no, you got. Oh yeah, so if it's another week, you might have
It's going to be
might
about 4
be
months, isn't it? 3 or 4 months to make $1,000,
150,
which are then
1,
split
2, 3,
50/50.
4, 5. Yeah, it's going to be 3 months at 3%
Yeah.
to get the 50% to get 500 to be able to get another account. Yeah, okay. Mm.
If I want to do that, unless I could always buy one anyway, decide to buy one anyway. But I think that's
Oh yeah. But I think like what I was trying to say before, Darren, it's like, well, do you after 3 months, do you take that 500 and then let it work for another 3 months so that you've actually taken out your original investment? I'm not saying you do, or you go like, okay, that's an investment. I'm going to keep that there, and then I'll get another one. Um, and then you work out, well, do I? You've only made enough to buy one. Do you buy two, use more investment resource to get another? Because once you're on a once you're on a good thing, multiplying it. But then, then you've got a number of them. You got to buy a sharpshooter every time, don't you?
if I'm sticking with sharpshooter, yeah. But I am sort of thinking, about sort of one of these scalping robots like the Dark Gold, for instance, which doesn't use any
Yeah.
martingale strategy. So, you know, to lose to lose one of those accounts, you'd
Oh,
have to
you
have,
mean to use it on gold or use it on Forex?
use it on gold. Use the
Okay.
dark gold on.
Okay, on gold.
Can you trade gold on iPhones? I haven't thought about that. Presume you can.
I think you can trade most things and
Yeah, I think you
commodities
can.
even on it.
So yeah, so I have sort of got in mind trying one of those on an iPhone's account.
Mm-hmm.
Not just sharpshooter all the time. I mean, the dark gold does not use any sort of martingale system.
But you
So
see also too, you could, and this is me just chewing fat, you can have that one license of sharpshooter and you could actually copy trade it onto another one.
yeah,
So you copy trade it onto another iPhones and another one. I mean, not necessarily have to own
yeah,
multiple
yeah,
sharpshooters.
potentially, yeah, yeah,
I mean, on a copy thing, you are paying a monthly fee, but I don't know. You got to work out whether it's worthwhile or whether it actually functions and it's quick enough to actually get you in and out of trades.
yeah,
The copy system. I've got a cup. Well, I've got one we've used before that actually works very well. Um, yeah, and easy enough to set up too. Anyway, well, that's very interesting. 3 months,
But
you
at some
reckon?
point, I do need to start manual trading again. So I don't need to, but
Oh, no, 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 no.
I've
Come
got an
on.
account sat there that's not really doing anything at the minute. So
Hmm.
uh,
All right then.
anyway,
Well, back over Euro GBP, I'm not sort of willing to do anything with this one just at the minute. He's still there, Tom? Yes, he is. Euro JPY, that's up, down, all over the joint. That's what it's predicting. Euro NZD. Oh, did that kick me in? I did. Yes, I'm in. But it's just pulled back a little bit. Okay, so that one I'm in for a buy. See. Oh, yeah, in prices. Yeah. So basically it came up, it kicked me in, then pulled back down again. I don't know how that would have worked. Or maybe it didn't, maybe, oh yeah, no, that would have been, that's it. It would have traveled across there, pushed down, not in, come up, kick me in, and then pull back down a little bit. That's what's happened. Yeah, okay. Well, that's good. It's actually relatively tight on it. That's quite a big move. Like, what's that? Oh, that's 110 pips. It's like, yeah, look at the leg down there. You can see the drop down. So, all right. This shows me, yeah, again, what I was saying before. Okay, Euro Singapore. I'm in that for the buy. Oh, that's no good. Rightio. Well, there you go. Do I leave it to to crash out? No. So I'm out of that with a small loss. Okay, done. Okay. I mean, it looks like it's selling, doesn't it? I mean, I know you guys don't trade this. Obviously, that's changed. The reason why I would have got into a buy is because the green would have been up here. All right. Euro Singapore. Let's see. Yeah. So if I go, I'll do a sell on that one now. Okay. And do a short. I'm in there now. This. Okay. Stop is 150. 171. Okay. Okay. Euro USD. You're out of any that Proctor still
Oh yeah,
stuck.
still it is. I mean, it's back down
What's it
to
in?
it's back down to about 4% now. It's been sort of between 4 and
Yeah,
7% per
because
day.
it's pulled back, up, down, all over the joint. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Tom was saying this FOMC meeting coming up, and it's your tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock is going to
Yeah,
potentially push stuff around,
yeah, could shake things up a bit.
and then Jerome's going to have a chat on Friday. What'd you say, Tom, about Jerome? He's either got he's what between the rock and a hard place or something, isn't
He's
it?
going to catch 22.
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah, it's the same here in the UK. Our interest rates,
Yeah,
inflation
inflation's going up.
is picking up again. So yeah, it could be 50-50 the next rate cut, I think.
Hmm. No, we'll see. Where the government here, it's been in the for probably on a couple of months. The Treasurer is doing 3-day roundtable discussion how we're going to increase productivity in Australia,
Yeah.
which is code for how the frig we're going to tax you more. Everyone's, they keep saying like, oh, people are a bit pessimistic about it. Oh, no, it's all positive. It's all, yeah, bull. I see a report, they go like, oh, yeah, we're going to do, they're going to talk about a inheritance tax. So
Well,
once someone
UK is
dies,
actually the fastest growing economy of the G7 for the first 6 months of this year. That was one of the new government's things. One of their they were going to. That's one of the pledges. It's not very exciting. The growth hasn't been very exciting, but it's just marginally better than the other six.
than anyone else.
But
Okay.
strictly speaking, they tick the box there at the minute.
Yeah, well,
In terms of
that's all they want to do. All
yeah.
right, GA. God, it's still going. Oh, Tom. Oh, look at it go. Oh, just so look at that. That's like 3% on that. No.
You just know it's going to come straight back down again, though, don't you?
Yeah, I know that.
It's
Yeah.
going to level off around about the previous high to the left there, and
Yeah,
then
somewhere. And then down
maybe
to it
mess
goes.
maybe mess around for a bit and then come straight back down again.
Yeah. All right, GCAD. Now there's the pullback. It's done, and then push back up. So this is as I said yesterday, we're going to get that change. GA will do the same thing anyway. It's getting ready to come back down again. See where it's
Yeah,
pushed itself up, and now it's dancing around, as you said. Now it'll start getting ready to come down when it's ready.
Wait till that blue line turns white.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
the trick. You got to be patient.
like you.
Absolutely.
Yeah, good.
Just be patient, man.
All right, GBP CHF. All right, we're waiting for that blue light to change white.
Oh no, this is going to have to work completely through.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that pullback.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's incredible, isn't it? Now it's getting ready to come down and break off. Okay. All right. GBP JPY. Well, that reckons that's going to go to the moon. It is dancing around here though. We've got a 6, 8, 12 pack here going at the moment. But doesn't want to move. GN. Now, again, this is like GA, which hasn't done a pullback. Sorry. And this one did yesterday pull back. Oh, sorry, the day before pull back. Must have been Monday, and then Tuesday push back up here. And we're gonna maybe it had a gold in there. I don't know, but once we get indicated, then also too we'll get a push back down. I'm not really looking at this at the moment. It's got to give us the right sort of change, and then blue line will have to come up and change over. GBP Singapore. You'll tell us if any of the daily or weeklies match up with the 2 hour, will you?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
GBP Singapore. That looks like we're
Yeah. Okay. Well, go back for just a second. Let me tell you what I'm doing.
GN.
Yeah, GN.
Gotcha. I'm there.
So
Were you? Yeah.
so the daily, for example, is saying it's buying,
Hang on
and
now.
the
I'll go
weekly
do
it's
the
saying it's
daily.
shorting.
So, hang on. There's the daily. The daily saying buying, right? Weekly saying shorting. Yeah, correct.
Okay.
And the
So
2 hour is at that turning point.
right. So on the weekly time frame, you have to understand it's the weekly candle. It's going to take a long time
Long
for that
time.
candle to move.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
So because you're out of the rails here on your X48
yeah,
and you see the lines coming together,
yeah,
I'm looking for a push no higher than the gold bar across at the top.
yeah,
Okay, so if it's going to fall short here, I would put my fib on from the high to the low.
yeah. Hang on a sec. I'll do that. From here to there. It's up nearly, it's not quite at the 88 yet.
Not quite yet, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Not
yeah, yeah.
quite yet to the 88, right?
Yep.
But it's definitely pushing that direction.
Yes, correct.
Okay, drop down to the daily real quick.
Yeah,
That one's saying it's going to the 88.
correct.
Even if it goes higher, that's fine, but it's saying it's going to the 88.
Yes.
All you're doing is looking for a pullback at this point before it goes higher. So on the lower time frame, go to the 2 hour now.
Not on the daily. It's not saying a pullback. It's
Sure
on
it
the
is.
push up.
See the green arrow down where it's starting?
Yeah, there, yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't give you a determination of how far back it's going to pull until it breaks the top. So
No, but
this
it's
could
already no, but the bricks are already pushing up.
that's not what I'm saying, Brian. I'm
Oh,
saying
sorry. Yeah.
what I'm saying is you see where that green arrow started for the move?
The green line. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the green line, and it pushed down and it went in there
Oh, yeah,
perfectly, and
yeah,
now
yeah.
it's
It's
pushing
doing a
back up.
pullback to push up to the 88. Yes.
Right. So
Yeah, yeah.
this could go sideways for a while.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
This green line could change.
Yeah.
All it's doing is
Right.
telling you on a higher time frame it wants to go to the 88. It
Yeah,
just
yeah,
doesn't
yeah,
know where
yeah.
it's going to stop.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
now go down to the 2 hour.
Yeah, which is hang on. Yeah.
Find the low spot on this,
You mean
which is
here?
over here, correct?
Yeah.
So put your 50 on from high to low.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Box, yeah. Uh Hang on. From there, you want it there up to here, do you, or where it
Yep.
is?
Yep. Right where you're going to get a top brick. So
Right.
anywhere above that 50% line, I'm looking for sells, and anything below that 50% line, because everything says it's going to go up,
Oh, yeah,
I'm
goodbye.
looking for
Yeah,
buys.
buys.
So
Yeah,
you
okay.
just have to determine what kind of risk do you want to take.
Yeah, okay.
Do you want to wait till it gets to the bottom, or do you want to risk it and see if it makes it to the bottom?
Mm. This green line could quite easily change and then just start
Exactly.
shooting up too.
So if it was the way I have it set up, I have my
Mm-hmm.
fib on from high to low
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
with the 618 below below the halfway point. Right, now flip it over.
Did I put it the wrong way? Oh, I just did that. Annoys the hell out of me. Yeah,
Okay,
619. See it come down? Yeah.
exactly. You see where it comes down to? So if I'm
Yeah.
going to sell this, I'm only going to look for it to come back to the 618
No,
before it
619.
possibly pops back out.
Yeah. Yeah.
If it continues all the way down, fantastic.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now you just got to
But it's
decide,
still got to
since
do
everything
it'll
says it's buying, do
yeah.
you want to wait and get in down here at the bottom? Or do
Yeah.
you want to get at the top and write it down? That's your choice right there. That's it.
Yeah.
That's the whole choice. Oh, and move your Tuesday box up to your new gold high behind the push. Look
That
at
one.
that. Down to the 618, back to the Tuesday
Bang.
box. Can't beat it. Pushes
Yeah.
down, pulls back up to the halfway point on the box.
Hmm.
Back down, can't beat these bottoms, and off we go. And it
Hmm.
takes off. So what you're looking for is watch these two trend lines, because now
Yeah.
these two
Yeah.
trend lines have to
Yeah.
come out
Yeah.
one side or another of this box,
Mm-hmm.
because we want the big directional changes. We're just
Hmm.
taking this little stuff because we want to put a little trade on. I'm looking for those big trade moves.
Yeah, the directional push
Yes,
until they're ready to change.
right. Because when they're ready to
Oh,
change, they're going to do a pullback for you anyways.
yeah, that's right. GU. Ooh. Looks on the pullback at the moment. Look at that coming back to these. Just below that 50% and then ready to come back out again. Mm. Wait,
I have a lower
yes.
high on the daily. The weekly says it's going down as well.
Yeah.
So I'm looking for this because on the 2 hour, this says it's going to push down once it reaches up here at the. It's going to
Yeah.
up at the gold bar to the left, and then it
Yeah.
pushes down. So because I have the lower high, I'm sorry, the higher high on the daily with a gold bar, with a pullback to the wick,
Yeah.
this is either going to make a new high or start a
Yeah.
bigger trend down. Right now, you're dead center.
Yeah.
So to me, I'm just letting it run because I'm not going to lose trades trying to pick
Yeah.
which side of the box it's going to come out of.
Correct. Because you don't know. That's right. All right. Okay, let's go NZDs where they were all falling off the cliff. Oh, come on. There we go. Ah,
I am
now
still in
pushing back
this.
up and you're still in it for the sell
Yep.
after the pullback and all.
I told you
Wow.
those gold boxes don't
Yeah,
always stay.
yeah, I know that one there looks like it's going to disappear on that one too. And it looks like, yeah, okay. Oh, and drop out the
Yeah,
bottom.
look at that. And
Bing, bing, bing.
you have one gold bar right there at the 618 that hasn't been taken yet.
Yeah, this one you were talking about.
So
Yeah.
I'm looking for this to push down good and hard and then
Hmm.
pull back up and take that.
Yeah, and then
Have
come
it
back
hit the
down.
88, boom, right on out again.
Yeah. Okay. NZDCHF. Oh, did I? No. What have I got? I got an order in here still. NCAD I got, actually. I do have an NCAD. What have I got? I got a sell stop on that one. Oh, it's only 12 pips away. Yeah, it's there. I'm waiting for
That's
it to
that's
drop
where
down
mine was.
further.
I got tapped in.
Oh, did you? No, I hadn't. So
My spread
obviously,
got me.
no, maybe, and mine didn't. I'm still 12 pips. Anyway, I've got a sell stop on that one. Why is that? I didn't change that. Okay, we'll see. Yeah, I didn't go. Sorry. Entered the CHF. No, that's okay. NJ. NJ. Yeah, I think New Zealand dollars are all like break the low there. And in you, same thing. It's broken off too down. I'm just going to break that low. All right. I should be, they're ones I should have been jumping in on. NZDJPY. Ooh, that's messy too. All right. UCAD. Oh, that's a push up. 1, 2, 3. That's 3. Okay. That's a fair push. All right. Looks like it might not. Anyway, we'll see what happens there. You're not in that or planning on anything, Tom?
Uh, I am not in this at the moment, no, but I am
Oh, yeah.
looking to get into it
Yeah.
absolutely because we're buying.
Yeah. Okay. This is after FOMC
No,
potentially.
if I get a gold bar here with a pullback,
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm in.
Okay. USD CHF. Well, that's not going anywhere quick, but it says it's going to sell. It's amazing that some of this news. Oh yeah, I saw the updates, Tom and Darren, about the meeting Trump and all of the Europeans all shoulder to shoulder with Zelensky,
All
and
massaging Trump's ego,
and how's Trump? He's got to slide away to talk to Pootie. Hey
yeah.
Pootie, I got all the boys here and the girls.
Just the way he rolled out the red carpet for Putin in Alaska was absolutely obscene.
Yeah,
Heard of the way he treated, not this time, but the way he treated
yeah, Zelensky.
Zelensky in February. Just
Yeah.
absolutely scandalous, scandalous.
Well, the world, yeah. All right. Yes, it's quite interesting. Okay, so UJ, it's just too much sideways on that one too. Let's see. It'll probably kick off. I mean, Tom will have something set up.
Oh,
Industry
I'm just letting it
sync.
work through.
Okay, gold. Now that's dropped. I think that will, yeah, I think this, what the green line is saying will happen. I think we'll see this shoot off and I think most of those USs will sell out. And where's silver? A rocket silver. Oh no, it's coming back down. Oh, maybe that was the talk to Putin. Apparently, US wants to make some agreement with Ukraine to buy to buy drones. It's like, well, the drone technology is pretty good. Oh, crazy. Bitcoin's down to 113. It's dropped off as well. And looks like it's going to go potentially a bit further. We'll see whether it does. And oil. Now that's dropped off further. Like it pulled back a bit yesterday, and then now it's dropped down again. Because I don't know if you remember yesterday, this green was going like boing and bouncing up. Now it's saying like, oh no, it's going to pull down further. These green lines just change all over the joint. And so they should. It's just a calculation. But 62.5 cents a barrel is pretty low. Well, the only reports I've ever seen is that $60, it's like break even for the US to get it out of the ground. So there's not much profit at 62 unless you have quantity. But anyway. Okay. Well, that's all the pairs. I'm back. Have a look. So yes, 2% in 3 weeks. Well done, Darren. That's good on sharpshooter.
Yeah,
But has it? It hasn't recovered that much though on the other live account though. It's like
no, it's got a long way
that's
to go. That one, that's on the
yeah.
it's on lower risk settings anyway. So I
It's
mean,
disappointing, isn't it?
I could get onto high risk settings and get it moving again, and I don't know.
As long as I see markets don't send you an email saying, "Look, there's a bit too much frequency going on here," like
Yeah, yeah.
that's such anyway. That's okay. All right then, gentlemen. Anything else that you want to discuss, put forward, or see what's happening? No,
I'm good.
you're good. Okay then. Let's see. Oh, that update too. I will be away all of next week. I'm going to be up. We're flying to Queensland. This is 12 months in. My second eldest daughter is having her 40th birthday, and so Claire and I are flying up there, actually with eldest daughter and grandkids, and so we're all going up there.
Very
And
good.
we'll be away for the week and a bit. So I'm not back until Wednesday week.
Well, that's quite good timing for me, Brian, because I'm away for the next 2 weeks after this week.
Oh,
Off to
right.
Turkey for 2 weeks at the weekend, so
Right.
all next week
So,
and the week after.
so Tom will be running it on his own.
Yeah,
So you're saying from the 20,
So,
it would be your 24.
yeah.
correct. Yeah. Yeah. So,
Okay,
so pre-market open next week. I won't be here, but for the whole week.
right?
And then the following pre-market open and the Tuesday, so my Monday, Tuesday, which will be your Sunday, Monday, whatever, I'll be back on the Tuesday, but then Darren will still be away for that week as well.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
But I'll still have phone and stuff and that. I just probably it's just going to be too difficult to try and run these
Yeah.
with people and stuff like
Yeah,
that when
fair
we're
enough.
away. But we
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
chat in the background.
All right. Cool.
All right. But I'll be here tomorrow. It was Thursday, Friday, so another 2 days here, and then
Yeah.
we'll have just a little break for it, and then back again.
Perfect.
No
Yes.
worries. Just
Okay.
giving you a heads up. All right then.
All
Till
right.
tomorrow. Take it
Yeah.
easy.
Take
Keep
care,
that
guys.
percentage happening, Darren. Come on.
The what, sorry?
Keep those percentages happening.
Yeah.
Okay. No worries.